Hi, my name is Carly and I'm with the BYU Software Training Lab. In this video, we're going to be talking about some basics of color in Adobe Illustrator. We've talked a little bit about color before, mentioning the fill and stroke options in the Properties panel, but we're going to talk about color now in a little bit more depth. First, we'll talk about the difference between RGB and CMYK color modes. RGB stands for red, green, blue, and is used primarily for things shown on a screen, so anything electronic. CMYK stands for cyan, magenta, yellow, and the K stands for black. CMYK is used for things that are going to be printed. When you go to start a new document, you'll have the option to set the color mode, and depending on what preset you choose, the color mode will most likely already be set to what it needs to be. You can also change this within your document by going to File and Document Color Mode. Now we'll talk about using color in Illustrator. First, I'll start by just creating a shape, and right now it has no fill. In the Properties panel where it says Fill and Stroke, you can click on the square and it will pull up this Swatches panel where there's some preset colors that you can pick from. If you switch over to the next tab, you can do more custom color picking. If you move back over to the first tab, in the corner you'll see the Swatches library, where there are even more preset options. If you click on this folder, these swatches will show up on your Swatches panel to make them easier to access. Another way to easily access colors is through the Libraries panel. This panel will only work if you're logged into your Adobe account. As you can see, I've saved a couple of different color themes to my library, and it makes them really easy to access within an Illustrator document. To save color themes like this, you go to color.adobe.com, where you can make custom color themes, as well as choose from hundreds of others. If you're logged into your Adobe account, you can save them and access them through the Libraries panel. A helpful tool when it comes to color is the Eyedropper Tool. If you select an object and then click on a color with the Eyedropper Tool, your selected object will change to have that same color. That is a quick overview of different ways to use and access color in Illustrator. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in learning more, visit our YouTube page where you'll find more videos about Illustrator as well as other software programs.